In this video, I will help you find the best Beats by Dre wireless headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Powerbeats Pro Wireless Earbuds Sport. Experience the ultimate freedom and performance with the Powerbeats Pro wireless earbuds tailored for sports and active lifestyles. Designed for those who are always on the move, these earbuds provide a secure and comfortable fit, perfect for the gym, running, or commuting. With up to 9 hours of listening time and more than 24 hours with the charging case, you can enjoy your favorite music without interruption. The Powerbeats Pro wireless earbuds feature a unique mono mode, allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings by powering off one earbud. Sweat and water resistant, they're durable enough to withstand even the most intense workouts or rainy days. Additionally, these earbuds support Apple's audio sharing feature, enabling you to share your music with a friend who also has AirPods or Beats headphones. The reinforced design ensures they stay in place no matter how vigorous your workout. Stay in the zone with powerful sound quality, dual beamforming microphones for clear calls, and a sleek design that keeps up with your active lifestyle. At number 4, we have Beats Solo 3 Wireless On-Ear Headphone Stylish. The Beats Solo 3 wireless on-ear headphones combine style and functionality to offer a sleek and comfortable audio experience. With a range of vibrant colors and the iconic Beats logo, these headphones are a fashion statement in themselves. The adjustable fit and cushioned ear cups make them not only stylish but also incredibly comfortable, perfect for long listening sessions. Sporting Apple-exclusive features like audio sharing, they provide added functionality for Apple users. The Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones aren't just about looks. They boast an impressive 40 hours of battery life, ensuring that your music keeps playing throughout the day. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home, these headphones are designed to deliver a high-quality audio experience while making a fashion statement. So, if you're looking for headphones that marry style and substance, the Beats Solo 3 wireless on-ear headphones might just be the perfect fit for you. At number 3, we have Beats EP Affordable. Moving from the stylish Beats Solo 3 wireless on-ear headphones, let's now shift our focus to the affordable option in the Beats headphone lineup, Beats EP. These on-ear headphones are a great choice for those looking to enter the world of Beats without breaking the bank. While they may not offer the premium features of higher-end models, the Beats EP headphones deliver a decent sound quality that's enjoyable for casual listening. The Beats EP headphones come with a durable design that blends stainless steel and plastic, making them lightweight and comfortable for extended wear. Their one-size-fits-all design caters to a wide range of users, from music lovers to professionals needing reliable headphones for video calls. Despite not being audiophile grade, the Beats EP headphones provide a solid audio experience that won't disappoint at their affordable price point. If you're seeking a budget-friendly entry into the Beats universe, the Beats EP headphones are a practical and stylish choice. At number 2, we have Beats Flex Casual. Exploring the realm of casual music listening, the Beats Flex headphones offer a blend of affordability and functionality for everyday use. These wireless headphones provide a solid connection and intuitive controls, allowing seamless track switching. With a battery life of up to 12 hours and convenient USB-C charging, they're reliable companions for various activities. While lacking an IP rating, the microphone quality may not be top-notch, and the sound is average, catering more to casual listeners than audiophiles. Despite these limitations, the Beats Flex headphones excel in their price point, making them a perfect choice for vacations, office tunes, or daily tasks. Their affordability also makes them a great gifting option. Whether you keep them for yourself or share the joy is entirely up to you. If you seek a budget-friendly option for on-the-go music enjoyment, the Beats Flex headphones offer a practical and stylish solution. At number 1, we have Beats Studio Buds Fitness. Engage in intense fitness sessions with the Beats Studio Buds, designed to elevate your workout experience with comfort and high-quality sound. These lightweight earbuds, weighing just 5 grams, are perfect for long hours of wear during gym sessions or outdoor runs. With an IPX4 rating, they're resistant to water, sweat, and even rain, ensuring durability in various workout conditions. The Beats Studio Buds feature active noise cancellation (ANC) and support Apple's spatial audio with Dolby Atmos, providing an immersive listening experience. While the sound quality is impressive, the call quality falls slightly below average. Each bud is equipped with individual control buttons for easy navigation, allowing you to manage music playback, volume, and calls effortlessly. The secure fit ear hooks and quality materials ensure a snug and comfortable fit, preventing the buds from falling out during rigorous activities. Whether you're pushing through a tough workout or enjoying your favorite tunes on a jog, the Beats Studio Buds are a reliable companion for your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.